BT cotton variety that was developed by the introduction of toxin gene of Bacillus thuringiensis is resistant to option A, plant nematodes. This is incorrect. BT cotton is not resistant to plant nematodes. Option B, insect predators. This is also incorrect. BT cotton specifically targets certain insect pests and not insect predators. Option C, insect pests. BT cotton is a genetically engineered crop that incorporates genes from the bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis, specifically Cry1AC and Cry2AB genes, which codes for the insecticidal proteins which is known as the cry proteins, that is the crystal proteins. And these cry proteins are very toxic to certain insect pests. For example, the cotton bollworm, which is a major pest that damages cotton crops. Hence, this is the correct option. Option D, fungal diseases. This is incorrect. BT cotton is not resistant to fungal diseases, but specifically to certain insect pests.